Hi friends, are you looking for unbiased fusionfabs.com reviews? If yes, then stay tuned with me till the end of the video. And before starting, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So through this video, I will help you to know about the legitimacy of this particular website. Also, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that Fusion Fabs offers wide range of products such as kids wear, toys for kids, dry fruits, kitchen utensils, kurtis for women, bicycles and so forth. And guys, here we can see that the most attractive part here is the prices of these products, which seems too good to be true, and you might be tempted to grab it right away. But I would recommend you to first protect your wallet by knowing whether it's a scam or legit website. So let's check the authenticity of fusionfabs.com. Guys, before proceeding further, I would request you to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that the available payment options are Visa, PayPal, Stripe, MasterCard and cash on delivery. Friends, now let's check the shipping policy. So here in the shipping policy section, we can see that all the orders are processed and shipped within 2 working days. And here two options for courier service are provided. First is a standard courier service, while second is the express courier service. Guys, standard courier is free for all local orders, while for express courier a customer need to pay additional charges of $4. Now guys, let's have a look on return and refund policies. So here we can see that their return and exchange policy lasts for 30 days of the receipt of the product, and refund if applicable will be automatically refunded on customer's original payment method. Moving on to check the cancellation policy. So guys, here we can see that no information regarding the cancellation is provided. Therefore guys, now let's check the way to contact their customer service. So here we can see that company's address, its contact number and an email ID is provided, which is fusionfabs@gmail.com. But guys, when you will try to cross check the authenticity of the given contact details, then you will see that you are redirected to a different shopping website which is named as noorfab.com. So this is a negative highlight, and therefore now it becomes very important to cross check the content quality of this website. So guys, here we can see that 25% of the content over this website is copied from other scam websites. Also, let me inform you that Fusion Fabs lacks presence on social media platforms as well. So again, it's a negative highlight. Now, let's proceed to talk on those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. So guys, fusionfabs.com uses HTTPS connection, therefore the information you send or get through the website is safe, which is quite a positive sign. But guys, HTTPS connection alone is not sufficient to consider a website as legit. Therefore, let's check the registration details of Fusion Fabs. So guys, the domain name of Fusion Fabs was registered on 3rd October 2020. Also here we can see that the domain is registered just for 1 year. Now let's check the customer reviews, because guys, customer reviews are one of the most critical factor in identifying the legitimacy of any shopping website. So here on the official website you will see that there is no section for customers feedback. And despite of being almost 11 months old, I could not find even a single customer review over the reliable sites on internet. So guys, again it's a red flag. So closer look at fusionfabs.com reveals many negative highlights such as misleading contact details, no cancellation policy, copied content, duplicate images of the products, lack of customer remarks, low score on Trustpilot, and lack of presence on social media platforms makes us to doubt the authenticity of this shopping website. So, prevention being a better option, I would recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website because there is a high risk of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So, guys, that was all about the unbiased fusionfabs.com reviews. And apart from this, friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this shopping website, do share your feedback in the comment section below because, after all, we are here to spread awareness about scams. So, let's do it together. Let's save innocent people from scams. Also, guys, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from online scamsters. Bye bye, guys. Stay safe, stay informed.